On this week's episode of LEGO Show. Hey, Sharon, you know what's funny? What? You're the only short person here. Shut up. Someday there will be another short person, and when there will be, well, I'm going to make fun of you some more. Shut up, kid. Hi, I am Short Rod. What's your name? My name's Dave. And listen, don't let that big kid pick on you. You kid! I'll beat the living crap out of you! Dude, you can't do it at the jungle place. You can only do it in the Winter Wonderland or the street. This is the jungle place? Yeah, dude, look at around. Look around. See? This is totally the jungle place. Okay. Well, this is actually quite different and more unexpected. So what should we do now? Well, I'm gonna go. Can I hang out with you guys? Sure, follow me. I don't think this is gonna look good for a second. Me neither, dude. Come on, we gotta go help him. Yeah, let's go. Okay, so over here is where our tree is. And this is actually a trap, see? Wow, that's so cool. I never thought of this before. Yeah, I think the kid's using him. Yes, come on, let's go. Hey kid. Listen, I just wanted to say I'm sorry. Yeah, okay, sure. But listen up, dude. If you make fun of me again, I'll be making fun of you. Yeah, dude, I mean, you're just a jerk. Don't call my friend a jerk. Oh, you wanna fight? Yeah. Oh my gosh, dude. Do something. Don't worry, I got it. Oh god. Oh. Dude, sure, are you okay? Yeah, I'm fine. Hey, I think the battery's about to die. Oh, okay. Okay, so this episode is gonna end short, and remember this. Short. Shut up, Robin! Hey, so can we still be friends? Sure, why not? Okay, thanks. Can I join your football team?